Nelito has been undergoing a change. Traditionally, we have been focusing on low-cost manpower services and our FinCraft product in the cooperative segment. And this we have been doing for a long time, the last 10-15 years. Now we want to change our strategy and we would like to focus on some more things and go up the value chain. We would like to focus on the private sector banks, we want to go international, we want to focus on offering business solutions to our customers to solve their business problems. So we want to be able to understand the business problems of our customers, primarily banking and financial services, design solutions and offer it to them in a way which incorporates our technology but it makes their life useful. So this is a tremendous transformation from a low-cost manpower services supplier and playing only in the cooperative segment, banking segment, to going to the private sector banks and international banks, and from something which is sort of low-end to high-end business solutions. So this needs a change not only in the mindsets of the employees, but also in the skill level, capabilities, the orientation and the thought process, the attitudes. And we want to symbolize this change through a rebranding process. And most importantly, we want our customers to look at us in a different way. Traditionally, our customers associate us with what we used to do. But now, with our new focus on business solutions in the area of data warehousing, data cleansing, and going international and focusing on private sector banks, we want them to look at us in a new light. And this necessitates a change. So the best way of doing this change is actually to do a rebranding exercise, which starts with a new logo, but that is not the end. So there are so many more things we need to do. So although the new logo personifies what we are trying to do with the tagline, solutions that perform. So with this new logo, which shows us like a young and progressive organization, along with the tagline, solutions that perform, which talks about the fact that we offer solutions now instead of just low-cost manpower services. And these solutions, they perform actually. So, which means that we are actually delivering what we committed, which is actually a very big claim to make, but we are sticking our neck out in making that claim. And which also means that a lot of other solutions provided by a lot of other companies don't work actually, they don't perform. So we are also differentiating ourselves by saying that solutions that perform, that is what we offer. So we want our customers to see us in a new light, and we want the whole mindset change in our employees to happen, to go to this new line of business in the new verticals, in the new geographies, and the new offerings, products and solutions. So this is the whole purpose of rebranding. The whole philosophy is to initiate a change management within Nelito and change the attitudes through the whole change management program, and symbolized by the new logo. And all this, hopefully our customers will also see us in a new light, and they will see us as a younger, a more progressive, and as a more high value adding company to their business, which helps solve their business problems.